doing this nighttime video. I don't know if you can really see anything because it's dusk right now, but I want to point over here where the sun's setting, and if you can, I want to step back here and see if we can catch some of this lightning. Watch how beautiful this lightning is. Check it out. Pretty cool. I'm going to back up some more so I can get some more of the sky. If you can see the moon through the trees, just about a half a moon. Get some of this beautiful lightning. God's power. And this is just a sample of His power. And if God can make all this, He's awesome. Nice little lightning show, God's fireworks. His nature, Father Nature. No such thing as Mother Nature. It's Father Nature, it's God. I think another storm might be heading this way. We just had a severe thunderstorm. That's some, man, I think them winds were like 40, 50 mile an hour plus gust with some heavy rain. I think another storm is following this one. Getting a little break right now, but we needed this rain. We've been in a drought for a couple weeks now. This is refreshing. Take all the rain we can get, Lord. Seeing that cloud to ground lightning, that was awesome. Could have been cloud to cloud, but I like that streak lightning. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Lightning is amazing. You have to respect it, but it's also beautiful. I actually seen some lightning up there where that little bright spot is. Give it another minute. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Everybody have a good evening or a good morning wherever you are. And God bless you, and I love you all.